how to highlight rows based on specific text in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can highlight your entire row based on a specific text in Excel. I'm going to use conditional formatting and I'm going to show you two ways. By highlight entire row, either you highlight the entire row like this, that means we have data from column A to E, but our entire row, that means all the column we have in this worksheet will be highlighted. That's one option. And another option is I will highlight only data from column A to E. That means I will highlight entire row within our selection. Okay, so I'm going to show you these two options. Before starting, I want you to please take a moment and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Now let's get started. So we have serial number, date, category, subcategory and amount. Okay, I want to highlight entire row. If in the subcategory I have written personal, then the entire row will be highlighted. That means I'm going to sort out all the personal expenses and highlight them. Okay, now let's select the entire range here. Okay, so this is the range. I have selected the entire range here. Okay, and now click on conditional formatting, click on new rules, and here select this one. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now I want to check if in column D any cell that has written personal, I want to highlight them. Okay, here our specific text will be personal. I can hard code it inside here, or I can make it dynamic by selecting another cell. So I'm going to make it dynamic, but you need to understand that we are going to check our specific text in column D. No other column will be checked. Only in column D will check. So select the first cell of column D, and here we are going to remove the $sign before 2 because we are going to fix the column name to D, but we are going to check if all the cell in column D has that specific text. Okay, now click on the cell and remove the $sign before your row number, then write equal to, and here you can either hard code your specific text or you can select another cell. So I'm going to select here G1. That means anything I write in G1, it will check if in column D we have any row containing that specific text. If that text matches to cell G1, it will highlight the entire row within this selection. Okay, and here remember our cell G1 has $sign. That means the cell is fixed. Whatever we write here will be checked. No other cell will be touched. Okay, now click on format and now select the fill color. I'm going to select this color, so it will highlight the entire row in this color. If I click here OK and OK again, it's done. Now let's write in cell G1 personal. Now you can see all the row that has personal in column D has been highlighted. Okay, now if I change here to food, all the row that has food in column D has been highlighted. So this is how I can highlight all the expenses. That means food related expenses has been highlighted. All the personal expenses has been highlighted if I write here personal. Okay, now here you can see we just highlighted row from column A to column E because we have selected this range. Okay, now let's remove the conditional formatting. Click on conditional formatting and clear rule, then clear rules from entire sheet. So conditional formatting has been removed. Now if I select the entire worksheet and use the conditional formatting again, conditional formatting, new rule, and use formula to determine which cell to format. Same way, click here and select the cell. First remove the $sign of your row number, then write equal to, and then select where you are going to write your specific text, which is cell G1. Now if I format it with this color and click OK twice, now you can see our entire row has been highlighted. So if you don't want this type of messy highlighting here, you can use the first option, and in case you need this type of highlighting to highlight entire row, you can do that also. Now write here food, and you can see it also works. Remember, this is not case sensitive. You can write in full uppercase or full lowercase, it will still works. So this is how you highlight entire row based on a specific text on another cell, and this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.